Thank you for joining me today on this quick meditation on affirmations for the anxious mind. Please get into a comfortable position of your choice. You can be seated or lying down on your back, whichever works best for you. Now I want you to acknowledge any tension that you may have in your body. That could be in your chest, on your shoulders, on your neck, on your hand, anywhere where you are feeling tension on your body. Acknowledge it. And I want you to focus on releasing some of that tension when you exhale.